Hey guys, I hope you've been doing okay. My name is Gorretti here. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe down below if you haven't subscribed, and hit the notification bell the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video you will be notified. This video is somewhat random, but I wanted to show you what I do for my skincare routine before I go to bed. I'm doing this in the kitchen, so yeah, the first thing is to take off the falsies. After taking off the falsies, it's time to remove the makeup, and for that I use the Garnier Micellar oil infused cleansing water. I'm almost out, so I take a cotton pad. This is just normal cotton wool. Then I'm going to start with the eyes. I mean, they are the most sensitive part of the face. Now all the makeup is gone, I'm going to use a toner, and for the toner I also use the Garnier Skin Active Even and Matte. Apply the toner, then this is how my skin looks. Then it's time to moisturize, and before I apply the moisturizer, I'm going to apply glycerin. This is like that amount. See, it's that. Honestly, I'm just used to applying glycerin. I don't think it has any effect on my skin. Okay. After the glycerin, I use a very small amount of moisturizer. There. That's it for my night skincare routine. If you liked this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe down below, and click the notification bell so that when I upload a new video you will be notified. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.